channel. It's me, Tiffany, and today I'm going to show you how to get this makeup look. This look is really colorful, very fun. I've been in the mood for color lately. I know my last couple of videos have been really colorful looks. If you guys want some neutral looks or some soft glam looks, leave that down below in the comment section and I'll be sure to film those for you guys. We're gonna jump right into this one. I hope you enjoy it. And if you wanna see how to get this look, then please keep watching. My eyes are already primed with concealer, so I'm gonna go in with my first transition color. This one is by Makeup Forever and the color is M726. I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and add it to my crease. And I'm blending the color from inner corner to outer corner. I'm dragging it out to the temple just a little bit. The next transition color is also by Makeup Forever. It is M738. I'm going to blend that right below the first color we laid down. To help make sure everything is well blended, I'm going to go back in with the first brush and blend over everything. To deepen up the crease, I'm going to go in with this color by Makeup Forever. It's M608. I'm going to place that right in the upper crease. To make sure everything's blended, I'm going to go back in with the second brush that I used and blend over everything. To deepen that up just a smidge, I'm going to go in with Ashes from the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. Place that in the crease. Now that we've gotten a good blend going on in the crease, it's time to cut it with MAC Select Cover Up Concealer. I'm going to take my Morphe M170 brush to cut the crease. I'm going to apply the concealer on my lid first. And look up. And that line there is what I'm going to use for my guideline to cut my crease. I'm going to start by patting the concealer in first. For the lid, I'm going to use this beautiful blue color here from the Saharan 2 palette. I know you guys are probably tired of me using this palette, but this has quickly become my favorite palette. The colors are so creamy and blendable, and I mean, they're just beautiful colors to work with. I'll try not to use that palette in my next tutorial, I promise. So for this color, I'm going to only place it at the top of the cut crease. And I'm just going to follow along the cut crease. I'm going to bring the blue pretty high up, but be sure not to go over the cut crease. And extend it all the way out here to the temple. For the next lid color, I'm going to use this shade here. This beautiful, beautiful mint green. I'm going to place that right below the blue and blend downward. For the last lid color, I'm going to take this beautiful gold shade here and I'm going to apply that right near the lash line. Now that we have a nice gradient effect going on the lid, it's time to add a little bit of color to the outer corner to deepen it up. I'm going to go back in with Ashes from the Naked Heat palette, and I'm going to apply that right to the outer V. I'm doing it in an angular motion as if I was drawing on a wing and then blending inward. I'm going to go in with a smaller brush to blend out the edges. It's going to be a little harder to pack the dark matte color onto the shimmer shades. So if you're going to recreate this look, I would suggest not bringing the shimmer shades all the way out to the temple, kind of stopping them here, and then it'll be easier to pack on the matte shade. Next, I'm going to clean up the edges with the makeup wipe to give us a really sharp wing. For brow bone highlight, I'm going to take this color here from the Sahara 2 palette. For lashes, I'm going to use my favorite Kim Tai Lionhearted lashes by Cake Face Beauty. Moving on to the skin, I'm going to moisturize with Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. I'm going to prime my skin with NYX's Angel Veil Primer. For foundation, I'm going to use this cute little sample I got from Sephora. It's the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation in the color Y445. Makeup Forever's Ultra HD Foundation has always been one of my favorites. So I know I love this foundation, but this one is a different shade than I normally use, and I like this color a lot better. Next is concealer. I'm going to use my favorite by NARS. This is the Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the color Biscuit. Next, I'm going to set my highlighter with Golden Fawn. This is one of Sephora's mattifying powder foundations. For some double coverage, I'm going to go in with Cover FX Mattifying Setting Powder in the color Medium. I'm going to quickly dust that away. I'm going to let the powder around my nose bake a little bit. While that's baking, I'm going to set the rest of my face. I'm going to use Sephora's Micro Smooth Powder in the color Hazelnut. I'm going to contour using my Kat Von D contour kit. I'm going to mix all 3 contour shades. To bronze, I'm going to use my CoverGirl Queen bronzer. To finish up the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this Aqua Line by MAC. I'm going to place some on the back of my hand and then use a small brush to pick it up and apply it along the lower lash line, just about halfway. Now I'm going to fill in the lower lash line with the same dark brown shade we used on the lid. And I'm going to place it right under the blue. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going to go in with this mint green. For cheek highlight, I'm going to take this gold color from the Saharan 2 palette. I'm telling you guys, this palette is multifunctional. If you don't have it, you need it in your life. Gonna highlight my Cupid's bow with it, and a little down the bridge of my nose. For blush, I'm gonna go in with Coralina by Milani. Gonna line my lips with Cork by MAC. For lips, I'm gonna go in with Soul Liquid Lipstick by Colored Rain. Gonna finish her all up with some Fix Plus by MAC. Okay guys, that wraps up another tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. You know what to do if you did. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also share my videos with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. I will link all of that down below in the description box. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and until my next one, bye!